Hello and welcome. Today, we're going back to one of the most foundational moments in biblical history, the Ten Commandments. But we're not just reading them. We're breaking them down, understanding what they meant then and what they mean for us today. God didn't give these laws to restrict us. He gave them to protect us, to shape a holy people, and to reflect His heart. Before we list the commandments, let's set the scene. Exodus 19. The people of Israel have just escaped slavery in Egypt. God brings them to Mount Sinai. Thunder, lightning, a thick cloud covers the mountain. The ground shakes. The people are trembling. Then in Exodus 20, God speaks. He doesn't whisper. He declares these commandments aloud, from heaven to earth. These weren't suggestions. They were covenant terms. And they still matter. Let's go through each commandment, one by one, with real meaning and practical reflection. Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Exodus 23. This isn't just about statues or idols. Anything you put before God. Money, success, relationships becomes a false god. God should be first. Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image. Exodus 24:6. Worship God as He truly is, not how we imagine or reduce Him. No substitutes, no self-made gods. He is holy, infinite, and personal. Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Exodus 27. This goes deeper than swearing. It's about honoring God's name with how we live, speak, and represent Him. Live like His name matters, because it does. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Exodus 28:11. God created rest on purpose. We weren't made to be machines. This command invites us to stop, breathe, and realign with Him regularly. Rest is worship too. Honor thy father and thy mother. Exodus 20:12. This builds the foundation for all relationships. It's about respect, gratitude, and legacy. Even if your relationship isn't perfect, honor where you can. It's important. Thou shalt not kill. Exodus 20:13. Life is sacred, but this also includes our thoughts. Jesus said, if you hate your brother, it's like murder in your heart. We're called to be life givers, not life takers. Thou shalt not commit adultery. Exodus 20:14. God honors covenant. This is about faithfulness, purity, and respect for marriage and boundaries. Even our thoughts matter. Thou shalt not steal. Exodus 20:15. More than shoplifting, this is about integrity. Don't steal time, credit, or trust. Live with honesty in every area. Thou shalt not bear false witness. Exodus 20:16. God is truth, and He calls us to speak truth. This includes lies, gossip, and half-truths that harm others. Let your words build, not break. Thou shalt not covet. Exodus 20:17. Comparison kills contentment. This is about gratitude, not craving what others have, but trusting God with what He's given you. The Ten Commandments weren't just for ancient Israel. They reflect the moral heart of God, His blueprint for how humans should live, worship, and treat each other. Jesus didn't cancel them. He fulfilled them, and he summarized them like this. Love the Lord your God, and love your neighbor as yourself. Matthew 22:37-40. The first 4 commandments are about loving God. The last 6 are about loving others. Love is the foundation. Obedience is the fruit. The 10 Commandments still challenge us today. Not to earn salvation, but to walk in step with God's heart. We don't obey to be saved. We obey because we are saved. So here's the question. Which commandment is God nudging your heart about today? Drop it in the comments and let's grow together. And if this helped you understand the 10 Commandments more deeply, hit like, subscribe, and join me next time as we explore more of God's Word, one truth at a time. Thank you.